What is this place?
Guys, we'll go after this. Had to be Santa, right? Serious dude in the hall, guys? Had to be Santa. Santa, wait! Pardon, that's a stupid. I'm Ratchet. I heard you. Get in! Gotta be
Various Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Every day I get to...
And the last Speedo runs into that rift thingy. Alright, Smarty Bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket?
The cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are, Clank, former warbot.
Bridge, and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
What are we going to do there?
We'll find out soon enough.
Your destruction is most definitely assured now.
Bring it!
Watch your step.
We've still got some unfinished business. Ooh, we should see if Mort fixed up the ship. By the way, how about And last Speedo runs into that rift thingy. Alright, Smarty Bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket?
This is horses. Here. These help will help us gather